Hey guys, my name is Joffrey Ward, and before I get into this video, before I teach you exactly how to make $500 in 1 hour, this is going to be very, very simple. I actually just want to give you guys $5 right now. So pay attention to me. I'm actually going to explain how to do this. But before I get into that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because this information is not being taught on a lot of channels. A lot of these people are giving you the runaround, but I'm actually going to teach you how to make a $5 right now. Okay, so this is called the Cleo Savings App. So basically, the Cleo Savings App is basically an AI that actually helps you save money, and they actually have something going on that's gives people a referral bonus when they sign up through a link. So basically, when somebody signs up through a referral link, and I actually have their referral link in my description below, they get $5, and the person that referred them get $5. So how I'm going to help you get $5 right now is, once you come over here, and you can actually come to this. I actually have the link, this actual link in the description below. Or if you already on my 11 apps that paid document, you can actually go and click that link right there, and it'll actually take you to there. When you link your bank account to Cleo, and basically Cleo basically helps you set up a budget or whatever. They don't have access to your bank account. These apps that I'm going to be talking about today do not get access to your bank account. They just want to verify that you're a real person, and they basically show you where you can save money within your finances. Okay, so once you link a Chime or Simple card, or even if you have a PayPal card, you're going to get $5 once you set up your wallet. So setting up your wallet is really, really easy. Once you sign up and link your bank account, and basically they're going to go through the whole method with you, and I actually open this link and actually show you what this looks like. Okay, so you guys won't be caught off guard. Obviously, I'm already signed up, so let me open it up in a new tab really quickly. And like I said, I'm showing you guys exactly how to do this. So once you come over here, it's going to take you to here, and it's going to ask you to set up through it's going to ask you to sign in with Messenger. They basically use Messenger in order to communicate with you, to let you know your notifications, when you're getting money, how you can save money. So once you sign up and once you go through Messenger, they'll actually go through the whole process of you link an account, basically showing your budget. And let me just show it to you real quickly so you can just see how it goes. Let me go right here to Meet Cleo, and I'm actually going to show it to you guys. So I'm gonna wait for this to load up really quickly. Okay, and basically it's telling me the stuff that I'm spending money on is basically telling me I'm referral. But if I go all the way up and wait for this to load up, it's basically telling me what I'm spending my money on, what I can save money on, and it's basically helping me save money. It tells me all the money that's coming into my account, and it basically helps me save money and actually puts me on a budget. Even though it doesn't have access to my account, I can actually follow this budget, and when I'm going off budget, they actually send me a notification, say, hey, you're spending a little bit of money over your budget. And it basically helps you budget your money. So basically that's why they need access to your bank account, so they can set up these things for you. And it's a really cool app, and it works through Facebook Messenger as well. So when you set up your account, and when you sign into your bank account on Cleo, well, like I said, it's really, really simple. And once you set up your Cleo wallet, you're going to get $5, and I'm going to get $5. The people that have already done this have already got $5 to their account. And basically the bank account that they set up for Cleo, they can withdraw to. Okay, so if I go to update bank, I basically can click the bank that I want my money to go to. So I click Chime checking account. So that's a prepaid card, if you guys don't know. So basically when I got a referral, I can basically transfer that money directly to my Chime bank account. So I waited till I got to $20, but actually you guys, once you make your first $5, you can transfer your money directly to your bank account, and it'll be in there in 1 business day. Okay, and I can actually show you proof of this. Like I said, I'll show proof with everything that I do. So let me just log in really quickly to my Chime account on my phone and actually show you where this $20 withdrawal that I got yesterday is already actually in my Chime account today. It only takes 1 business day, and you can get your $5 bonus that you earn when you sign up through my link right now. So let me just log in really quickly and just show this to you. If I go to my recent transactions, all transactions, and actually go down, you can actually see this. I don't know if it's actually going to show up on the screen. Let me focus it a little bit. Okay, give it a second to focus. There you go. You see Cleo, and you can see to the side this was at 8:19 a.m. yesterday, and you can see that $20. So this $20 that I earned from referring people, I actually got that 20. I was actually able to successfully withdraw that to my bank account. Now you're going to get $5 when you sign up and you link a bank account and you connect a not connect when you basically sign up for your wallet. You're going to get $5. You can then withdraw that $5 to the bank account that you connected. So I connected Chime. So when I was ready to transfer my $5, I basically transferred that money to Chime. It was in my account in 1 business day. So that's for Cleo. That's basically just for watching this video. It just helps you get a $5. Go ahead and do that. The link will be in the description below, and I actually go ahead and get help when you guys make that money. When you get that $5 and you're able to successfully transfer it, come back to this video and comment, I made the money. I want to hear from you guys that have already made the money with Cleo. Okay, so that's Cleo. That's the first one. But before I go any further into the actual video, I'm talking about capital. Make sure you guys, if you want to make a full-time income, go to freebiesmoneysystem.com. Also follow my blog, joffreywardjr.com, and actually you can pause this video and write this information down. With this, you can really earn a full-time income because you get paid instantly. You don't have to wait for Cleo to send you money or Capital to send you money or any of these other apps to send you money. You can get paid instantly directly to your Cash App. If you want to learn how to do that, go to www.freebiesmoneysystem.com. So now we're going to get into the crux of the video. Right now, Capital is giving a $500 bonus to people who refer 5 people to their app. Now you're going to earn $5 per person that you refer to Cleo. So basically, once you sign up with Cleo, once you earn your $5 bonus, you can come down here and ask Cleo for your referral link. And I just type this in, and you can just, basically ask for my referral link and ask for your referral link. And this is going to be your referral link. Once you sign up for Cleo, once you earn your $5 bonus, you're going to have your own referral link that's coded to you. And you can copy this and basically refer people through Facebook, which I'm going to show you how to do, towards the end of this video once we get through talking about Capital. So you want to get your referral link, and when you refer people, you will be getting $5 and they'll be getting $5, and then you'll be able to continuously withdraw money directly to your bank account. Okay, like I just showed you. Now back to Capital. You earn $500 when you refer 5 people. This is easy because I know a whole lot of people right now that are actually referring people to Capital as we speak. I was referred to Capital by somebody. I saw an ad on Facebook group. So even though I've made a whole lot of money online, I still look for different ways to make money online. And once I saw somebody talk about how they can earn $750, which was last month promotion, really quickly, I asked for their link. I joined through them. Now I didn't earn the $750 for the 7 Capital referrals because I got Capital towards the end. But once I signed up, that person earned $10 and I earned $10. Okay, so when you go through my link, you're going to get a $10 reward once you make your initial deposit. Then you can turn around and go in Capital and get your referral link and start referring people to Capital. And once you get 5 successful Capital referrals, you will earn $500. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, now this is really easy, but there is a catch, as to certain amounts of things. Once you earn that $500 bonus, you cannot earn on any more bonuses than an entire month. So once you get to $500, and once once you make that money, you cannot earn on your referrals anymore after that. Okay, so that's the catch. Now that's the catch. So once you get your first 5 initial referrals to Capital and earn your $500 bonus, and I suggest you come over here to this actual matter of fact, when you go through my link, you download the site and you actually get the app, you can actually go to the terms and conditions and you can actually read more information on this so you can understand how the Capital referral program works. Now, the people that you refer has to make a deposit. So basically, let me explain this to you guys. I didn't explain this. So here's the instructions. After you download the app, you basically make a $1 deposit into your goals. So basically, Capital is a savings app that helps you set up goals. And I actually show you how Capital goals look so you won't be caught off guard and you won't you won't be surprised. Like I said, I'm giving this to you guys step by step. So if I go over to Capital allows you to set up goals, and then they basically transfer some money from your account to put into your goals. So right now, this is a goal that I have to go somewhere. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. And basically, I basically every $17, I got a rule that every $17 that I spend, they round they round to the nearest $5 and actually put into my account. Now you can have it set up forever, however much you want to. You can create a $1 goal if you're just trying to get the $10 deposit. You can create a $1 goal and basically transfer $1 from your bank account to that goal, and you're going to get that $10 extra bonus on your first goal, and then you can transfer that $11 right back to your bank account. So that's your money. I want this to be clear. That's your money that you can transfer directly to your bank account, just like you do with Cleo, just like I just showed you proof. Okay. So once you get that $10, if you want that $10 to go directly to your account, just take that money from here and you basically hit transfer, and you hit transfer, and you basically right here, you hit transfer, and basically I can't do that because I'm still setting up my account. But once you hit transfer, you basically send that $10 directly back to your bank account. Okay, it's really, really simple. Okay, is this your money? I just want to make that clear. Okay, so once you get set up and once you get your $10 or your bonus, then you can make $10 per referral that do the same. But this is what I was talking about. Once you refer 5 people and you successfully get that $500 bonus, so you're going to earn $10 per referral, and you're also going to earn an extra $500 bonus for referring those 5 people. Once you get that $500 bonus, you're not eligible to refer any more people that month. That's when Cleo comes in. So basically, any person that you get to sign up for Cleo, any referral that you get to sign up for Capital, excuse me, I said Cleo, any referral that you get up to sign up for Capital, after they sign up, you want to refer them to Cleo. And once you refer 5 successful Capital members, then you go over here to Cleo and you start referring people to Cleo. Okay, this is really, really simple. How you refer people. You do it on Facebook, and I'm actually going to show you proof step by step. So basically, I'm going to type in somebody that I've been sharing on this channel for a while. His name is Derek Adams. So let me go over here to his posts. He does this every single day. If you go down here, you'd actually see this. He posts pictures like this, and he actually gets people who are interested in actually signing up to apps and actually making money. He promotes in these money making groups every single day. So basically, I'll show you one of his posts so you can actually see how this works. It says, who needs PayPal must have a simple Chime bank account. I spent a week with this app and about 1 to 2 hours, and you can see he's showing proof of him making $532 with one app. And basically, anybody that contacts him on Facebook, he sends them a link to one of his apps. So on this one, I give you 11 apps that you can use that you can refer people to and you can get bonuses for. So when somebody successfully goes to your link, basically off your advertisement, so you can do this in however many money making groups you can. Now, I've done this several times, and I'll actually just show you proof that I've actually done this, because I'm like, everything that I teach you guys is legit. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people that's making money the same way, and you guys have access to these apps and you're not making money right now, and that's not fair. So I'm going to show you exactly the way people are doing it and how you can do the same thing. So if I go to my posts right here, give it a second to load up, you can actually see, if I go to 2019, I have quite a bit of posts on here. You can actually see me doing the same thing. So I said, do you want to, matter of fact, let me just pull this up. I said, do you want to learn how you can start making real money online using apps? I have 5 apps that I'm currently making free PayPal money with. I'm looking for 200 people to teach how to do the same thing. So when those people type in info, I then send them either my video link to YouTube, or I either send them the links to the apps. So once they go ahead and sign up through the apps, I get paid. So you're doing the same thing. Basically, you put in the advertisement on these money making groups, asking people who wants to make money online. When they type in yes, you basically show them exactly how to do this. As a matter of fact, you can just copy this word for word, because you don't want to have to explain everything. You just basically copy this whole thing. You can say, I'm using Capital to meet my money goals, and I think you should give it a try too. Sign up with the code, whatever your code is. Basically, you just your code that you have on your Capital referral system, you basically transfer that code here, and your link to your Capital for your Capital referrals, you'll basically put that right here, and it explains them how to sign up, and ask them if they have any questions to feel free to I said feel instead of feel, F-E-E. I just noticed that, but feel free to message me back. So basically, anytime you send this to somebody and they sign up, you're going to get paid $10. And basically, once they sign up for Capital, you basically send them information about Cleo, and when they sign up, you get $5. And when they sign up for Capital, you get $10 when they become a referral. And also, once you refer 5 people, you get $500. That's all this system is. You guys can do the same thing. That's all I got for you guys today. Go ahead and start trying this out. This is really, really simple. I'll leave the links to everything in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.